cabeza del pescado tapan la mirada, pocos saben de mí.
What's up, everybody? Tomorrow, where we going though? To the track or what?
Corridos y trocas.
People here, man. Yeah. Only day before though. And who this though? Fussing us.
Bro, turn them up. Let them hear it, bro.
Spark it up, spark it up, spark it up.
Bro, let's go check out the homie sound system, bro. Fuck your shit. Oh, watch out.
Yo.
You fucking out the vlog, bro. We're back over here.
You gotta get those shit.
Hold on. Bro, what is you on about, my guy?
Ew, look at that. It's Billy started. Yeah, Billy sparked this up. Here, bro.
Part 2.
Moving to my nigga Michael.
Get the close up of the truck, bro. Fuck. Stop recording us, bro. Go over there.
Fuck you.
Get in the back.
Fuck everybody. Fuck the world.
We see y'all tomorrow. This is the start of everything.
We'll see you in a bit.
This is where the Jeeper Creepers was made at, bro.
Nah, it was down there, bro. And this is the same exact bus, too. Look.
Oh, that's the bus right there. Man. Jeepers Creepers, eh?
Yeah, good bitch.
To fix the stupid ass. Damn, nigga, you cleaned the truck, but you couldn't. Bro, get that, bro. Actually, don't get that. You hating on these niggas' downfall, bro. Praying on these niggas' downfall, bro.
Nah, you really saved his life.
Oh, God, bro, look at that shit.
Nah, you don't want to look at it. You don't want to look
I'm
at
a
it.
lifesaver. I come to save it.
Arrived.
Going on.
Today.
Alright.
Pretty good. The passenger please bring in sign.
We better smoke. Damn, they got whole venues and shit. Ready? Shit, we gotta get up there, bro.
He's trying to get in, he's trying to get the vlog on.
Hell yeah. Come on, man, where we at?
Doing, bro? I don't know where we at, bro. I'm kind of lost. We just spawned here, bro.
Where y'all at? Where we at right now? What do you think? Review.
Hey, 5
Fire.
out of 5.
5 out of 5. Yeah, that shit was 10 out of 10 for me. Hey, get that shit crazy. Man, did you chug that one?
Yeah.
See, Michael trying to get fucked. This bug's hot. We got something.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah. What you thought? What about the reaction? What's the reaction?
Crazy.
What's the reaction?
Impressive.
boy Jay though.
That shit was crazy. He
He
hit the wall like 3 times.
Man.
Still went in there.
Still tripping.
The 5 was crazy though.
Getting active. Your brother about to pull up?
Oh no, that nigga flaky. I get that 10 out of 10. I ain't gonna lie.
What do you give it? What do you give it, Hera?
A 2.
A 2?
Y'all think?
11.
100 out of 10.
Yeah, we
No bias though. No bias.
Yeah.
No bias. No bias.
No, you hear that Pro Charger though?
After seeing all that.
It could take.
Out here in Corridos and Petrocas 2023. You already know. We got all the Mamalonas and all the Eggers and Cuz out here, you feel me? Hot as shit. Currently 79 degrees. 1:35 p.m. You already know.
I like that. That's the crazy part.
It's not a man? It's not a man?
Nah,
It's a girl?
bro. It's 2023, bro. It could be a hit too. You don't know. It could be a.
Okay. What is it?
It's nice, man. I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Fucking what? It does now. It's got LSA, bro. Look at that shit. Look at that shit.
Oh, where's that H move down, huh?
Telling you, bro. Bro, you see how you go crazy with this, bro? Look at this bit.
you rate this?
I feel like you about to
What
smack.
you rate this? What
One.
you rate this?
Did he make that badass
y'all
crack into the wall?
Yeah, bro.
Was that badass crack right there?
This is the after. Look, you see that?
He did
That's
that.
it.
He did that.
That's
Tweaker. Look at this
I'm about to
tweak.
lay in this AC area. My nigga right here is on fucking record for everybody. I'm about to roll up. Catch me napping if y'all want to see me.
Show him the pack, bro. Nobody gives a fuck about you.
You bitch.
Oh my god.
Well, yeah, it's cool so far.
Gang banging out the window of that brand new coupe. I'm the driver and the shooter of the fucking shoe. They say money make the world go round, I think it's true. So I went shopping and got all my bitches hula hoops. Playing with my gang, that's a gang, you for sure gon' lose. With 60,000 on my chain, I got Buddha boom. She tired of arguing with you lame, she loving the crew. This kind of car be doing this thing, she loving the move. Iced out. Bust down, she blow my thing, I'm throwing up gang, she loving the groove. I'm in the coupe making it rain with nothing on the roof. I'm the driver and the shooter, the fuck is you? I'm the driver and the shooter, the fuck is you? They thuggin' out here with them toolies and them gutter goats. Money out here for the win, ain't you a fucking loser. Just stay from around me if your energy ain't nothing to it. My niggas up into it, it ain't nothing to it. Hit your block, hit your whole gang, when we have to do it. Say it not, this ain't no game. That's with yours. Everybody drop, ain't leave no lanes. We just up to score. Gang to the top, in my own lane. Ain't need nothing, you whore. Straight from the block, really the whole thing. Not a house, double doors. Something but not, whole gang up, nigga, and stuck with yours. Shout out to God, this ain't no luck, nigga, we grinding for it. Gang banging out the window of that brand new coupe. I'm the driver and the shooter of the fucking shoe. They say money make the world go round, I think it's true. So I went shopping and got all my bitches hula hoops. Playing with my gang, that's a game, you for sure gon' lose. With 60,000 on my chain, I got Buddha boom. She tired of arguing with you lame, she loving the crew. This kind of car be doing this thing, she loving the move. Iced out, bust down, she blow my thing, I'm throwing up gang, she loving the groove. I'm in the coupe making it rain with nothing on the roof. I'm the driver and the shooter, the fuck is you?
It is.
Sit here for 4 hours all.
We get $2, brothers. They
$2.
upgrading. They up charging every 2 hours.
Every 2
It
hours.
was $10 the first time.
So total, man.
Fuck that nigga. No que diez puto.
Yeah, they getting played. That's yo, bro.
Hey, fuck that nigga.
You got taxed $12 for 4 water bottles.
$4. Next time it's gonna be 14, bro.
Imagine.
You didn't go to bro over there?
How much is over there? $1?
Bruh, what the fuck? I think been going over the whole time. Yes. First thing you smoke weed and it's like, fuck, I'm gonna charge $2 more.
Man.
That's why I was like, can I get another 4? He looked at my 10 like, huh? I was like, sir. And I was like, what? It's $12. I was like, but the other homie, I didn't even want to argue, Bob.
Yeah, bro. I was.
It was amazing, Mike. They do got 96. They got 110.
100,
What is-
damn.
What is 110?
Damn, over here, fuck that.
Send me the ad.
How long did it take to do all that?
Bro, how long did it take you to get here, bro? Like 7 hours.
Send me that.
Pulled up though. Tomorrow morning we gonna be there.
No, he lying.
You better get him on your nigga.
You gonna get your ass whooped at home. Hey, let's go back to Sac so I can drop off the truck. Oh, he's down, he said. Why you shaking, bro? Why you shaking? Why you shaking, tripod?
Sugar taking a picture with one hand.
This nigga. That's it, bro. I'm done.
What happened?
I'm just gonna here. I'm gonna send you this. You need this shit. Screenshot that. Take a pic.
Yeah, bro, we went to, bro, this Airbnb is 40 minutes away.
40 minutes from here? What? Over there?
Oh! I think it was about to raise with the cop there.
I would've got pulled over because I listened to us with
Watch out.
Bro, look at this shit,
There's
bro.
like a step right there.
Dude, this shit's hella crazy and ugly.
What the fuck is this?
Look at it. What's up, guys? Look at this, hella creepy, bro. Look at this one.
I need a room.
Look at this room over here. This is like a fucking horror movie.
Oh, this is me right here. This me, nigga. Y'all got me fucked up.
It's just me. Get your ass.
Hey, this me Michael right here.
The chair though.
Hey, Nate.
I gotta take a shit though. I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, why that one room a little weird though?
That's like a fucking closet turned into a room type shit.
Bro, a lot.
She's in there, bro.
Bro, that room a lot. She gonna pop. What is this right here?
I won't go to outside.
Okay.
She opened this
Oh, it's getting the backyard, huh? Hey, we get in the backyard.
Hey, this on the spider web, bro.
2020, I think. F-150. Right here is looking nice. Woo. Looking clean, as always. 2017 Chevy Silverado. Bitch thick. You know what I mean? It's clean, you heard me? And my bitch over, oh, you know what I mean? Trimmer. My bitch over here. The 2017 Chevy SS Malibu. No, I'm playing. Chevy SS, you know what I mean? We out here. You hear me? Cause we out here. We out here, that's why. And it's the house we got. Just for today, you know what I mean? Slideshow. Yep. Those are the whips right here.
We gon' hey, come here, bro. We brought you here for a reason. You gonna measure the truck so we can see if it was good.
Measure his dick?
Bro! Nobody bought a PS5, bro. Come on, bro.
And there's a TV there too. Stupid.
Bro, look how fucking dark.
Get that shit off my face.
Take the camera, bro. Take the camera, man.
Bruh. So fucking your nigga.
Man, compact like a Frenchie.
Michael.
I'm Michael Frenchie.
The fuck?
We got the
whole mix.
Cantoritos.
The new mix.
The new mix Tortoritos. He said it's straight from Mexico, right?
Yeah.
Bro, these
You know who we
guys
bought
really-
this from?
these guys-
Static Leo's dad, bruh.
Yeah,
Static
Leo's
dad.
But he taxed us though. 12 cans for $40, bro. And another 24 for another $40. In total, we bought a 24 pack for fucking $80.
But they usually run for 100.
Swear to God.
Yeah, you got the regular one. Your
Yeah,
shit
the
ain't
regular
orange though. Is your shit orange?
Nah,
Hey, this nigga said he
hey,
dropped it in his fucking
the
truck
homie
or
just
some
posted
shit.
a blue one. There's such thing as a blue one.
Chico, Kush, and then we got some gas. Open this up, bitch.
Literally had to be over here.
Man, look at him, bro. He tripping out.
You could, but
Look at
you
this chunky
can.
one though.
Yeah. Oh shit. Put that next to your big ass
Can you give
nose.
us like an actual one for free?
24, $80 for 24 pack. It was a good day.
We mixed the Larry Bird with the Alien Labs.
This one?
These niggas come with the Giorno?
Fat pieces. You wanna get cheese with this guy? Oh, it's little cheese pizza? Okay. You wanted to clean it off. Alright. It's time to eat though. We'll see y'all later.
Fuck y'all niggas.
Te calle, puto.
Cuídala, mi luna tú la ves por siempre, dile que no me verá, pero tú sí estarás. Pa' Junior, que siga la mata dando viejo, a la plebita.
Bebé chiquitita.
That nigga was a pimp yesterday. Look at the lotion right there. He was beating his shit. Finish off the night.
Really good.
That's hella funny.
Alright, bro, show the viewers the wood, bro. It's a miniature wood.
What you guys rate this? I rate this. We're back at the sesh. Looking over there, getting scored. Where's the blinker at? Hey, what you did? What you did? He said, next. Next. What was it?
100 out of 100 for sure.
But his tires still in.
Yeah, I'll give it 99 out of 100 because his pops.
Yeah, they pop. They turned they pop.
So
Always say, yeah, we pop more.
Next.
Fuck the viewers. Fuck the subscribers.
Was that right?
No more Bruno?
And ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap.
To lose. Playing with my gang, that's a game you for sure gon' lose. With 60,000 on my chain, I got Buddha booming. She tired of arguing with you lame, she loving the crew. This kind of car be doing this thing, she loving the move.